So guys, sorry, another video so soon, but this might help people, and if I waited a week, then it might be too late to help people. Cucumbers. Taking cuttings from cucumbers and rooting them. It works. Here's the video and a little bit more. So guys, cucumbers. Don't look for a couple of days and they all appear at once. These are the small self-pollinating ones, which Dale Calder sent me. Liz Bower, I'll get the names right. Quarantine, Liz Bower and Minnie Munch. They're mental. They're all female flowers as well, so every single flower it puts on will be a cucumber. But they're mental and they're nice as well, they're sweet. They're not bitter, so I'm really pleased with them. Fantastic. And my other cucumbers, the Sensation and the Telepathy. The Telepathy is looking a bit sad, although it is like major hot at the minute. I'm melting myself, and even up plants outside are wilting, though they've got water. So I just put sprinkler on a bit longer. But this has got potentially a nice cucumber on it there. I mean, I went nuts with cucumbers this year, but as I said, I wanted to try that Telepathy and compare it to the Sensation, and Dale were kind enough to send me these. I'll have to try and get into pickling, but you can see they've gone nuts now. That's right up there. So yeah. And another thing about cucumbers, I don't know whether you know, but you can take cuttings off them. Now by that, I'll show you. I don't know which cucumber I took it off. Could have been any of these. So, but I took a cutting. I was pulling suckers off. I was trying to single stem them as much as I can. Yeah, and you always get this, for instance, that's growing in that crotch. Yeah, and I nipped one of these out and stuck it in some water about 10 days ago, and it's rooted. I'll show you. So that hopefully I'll be able to put into Spudomatic when something comes out, you see. As soon as I get a bucket free, I'll have something to put in. I know I've got loads of cucumbers this year, but again, I need to learn to pickle and take them a bit smaller. But yeah, I mean, I've even planted some more cucumbers here. These are one of the mini cucumbers, and there's some other bits and pieces, some more brassicas and basil. I've just replanted that bed up with the other broccoli and kohlrabi what I had left. I've got all this fennel as well to go in. I've planted 3 out here. There's 3 fennel in that bed there. See how they do. He did say they would mature, so although we'll take them some more if we have to. They're not content with laying eggs, they want to have sex on my brassicas. So that's that roof stout bed. Just replanted that up. I've got, just as an experiment, I've got 2 broccoli there together. Broccoli, kohlrabi 2 together as an experiment. That's a broccoli and that's kohlrabi, and that's another kohlrabi. I did bang another kohlrabi back into the middle of that bed there as well, as it were growing. I don't know whether I mentioned as well, I dug through that again, got another a dozen potatoes out on various sizes. There's still 1 or 2 little squeakers like that. And put vole traps in. These have all got potato in, so only potatoes really that should be in that bed that's edible for voles. I've put them around edge because they've got rodent minds, they walk around sides of things. When they're not digging under it, hopefully we'll catch the culprits, because when I dug them in, I found the holes deeper than obviously the plants. So hopefully he'll come out tonight and get his face stuck in one of them. So guys, yeah, you just see if we can get a better view. I can't see much, but this was a cucumber that I took off. So it's about 10 days. Yesterday there were 1 root on that, and today it's covered and it's even got roots at the bottom here, look. Yeah. So if you want to multiply some cucumbers, you can. It's, say, 10 days it were on kitchen windowsill. I'm going to put it now in the greenhouse, in the water, if I can find a place for it to fit. And my man shelves, I need another man shelf, I need to build a second one. But yeah, I'm thinking this might be one of them all-female. I just don't remember, I just took it off on the spur of the moment. I stuck it in a jar of water just to see what would happen. And that works. I mean, if you need more cucumber plants and you're taking it off single stems, then you can always like propagate them. Other beauty of that is that's a mature plant now. So as soon as it sets its roots proper in a plant pot in dirt, then it should kick off and just start going and banging out fruit. So I'm really pleased with that. It was just one of them silly things that you do. I just wondered if it'd work, and it does. And if you like rooting cucumbers and you're still here and watch the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give us a thumbs down. I've just come in here to cool down. It's rather warm outside. Don't forget, it's nice to be nice.